What's up, guys? Here is an update on the 2006 WRX STI. Here you can see I got the motor in the back of my truck. Here we're getting the motor in the car. For those that don't know, the car was blown up when I bought it, and so I had to acquire a motor and put it in. Here we're about to go get it tuned at Rspec Tuning over in Portland. And during the tune, it turned up to be 350 all-wheel horse and 370 all-wheel torque. And here's a few shots of Ethan and I going through the interior, which was toast. Had to do the headliner, the carpet, and it turned out really good. As you can see, there's the fresh carpet in there. Seats all cleaned up.
Grabbing third.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, and comment.